So, you want to check the list of people you've sent a friend request to on Facebook, but you can't find it. I got you. But before doing anything, make sure you're updated to the latest version of the app. After that's done, open the app and look for the Friends section in the middle and click on it. This section displays friend suggestions, your current friends, and the friend requests that you have. Here you still can't see your sent friend request. That's because there's a few more steps left. Look for the See All option at the upper right area and click on it. This should display only the friend requests. Look for the three-dot option at the upper right corner and press on it. An option to view your sent requests should pop up. Click on it, and there you have it. As you can see, this account has only one sent friend request, but if you've sent many requests, it'll all show here.